Hey car gadget enthusiasts, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into incredibly cool car gadgets you absolutely need to check out. Whether you're looking to upgrade your ride with some innovative tech or just add a few fun accessories, we've got something for everyone. As always, all the product links are in the description below. Let's rev up and jump right in. Packing for a road trip just got exciting with Twistbox's Gen 3. Designed in Sweden, this revolutionary cargo box transforms the way you travel. Lightweight yet durable, it's fuel efficient and incredibly easy to assemble. Say goodbye to clunky roof boxes and hello to effortless packing. Whether it's gear or groceries, your next adventure just got a stylish upgrade. Long road trips can be a challenge, especially when the back seat gets too hot for the little ones. Enter the Poraxicar Fan, a simple yet clever solution. With its 360-degree rotatable heads and adjustable speeds, it keeps your kids cool and comfortable in the back seat. Perfect for SUVs, sedans, and RVs, this fan is easy to set up and provides consistent airflow to those hard-to-reach spots. A must-have for family drives. Imagine this: heavy snow, an urgent call, and the need to act fast. Enter Quick Connect, the game-changing snow track for SSVs, UTVs, and mini 4x4s. Designed for rapid, under 3-minute installation, it's a lifesaver for law enforcement and emergency responders. Perfect for all seasons, it's not just a tool, it's the future of quick, reliable mobility in critical moments. Driving under the blazing sun used to feel unbearable, especially during those long summer drives, but the Full Shade 2.0 changes everything. This sleek, retractable sunshade is custom designed to fit the Tesla Model Y's glass roof perfectly. It not only keeps the interior cool and protected from harmful UV rays, but also offers easy installation and a stylish, modern look. It's the ultimate accessory for ensuring comfortable, sun-safe rides all year round, no matter the season. This leather steering wheel cover takes any car interior to the next level. With its sleek silver rhinestones and premium leather, this cover not only enhances the look, but also adds a comfortable grip. Designed to fit a range of vehicles, it provides a luxurious touch, turning an ordinary drive into something extraordinary. Perfect for those who want to add some sparkle and sophistication to their ride. The LOD Off-Road Destroyer Sliding Roof Rack is built for adventurers who demand versatility and durability. Its modular design allows you to add features as needed, while the sliding function makes soft top access effortless, even in Sunrider mode. Powder-coated for long-lasting durability, this rack combines rugged utility with sleek functionality, ready for any off-road challenge. The Boondocker 14-gallon water tank brings convenience and reliability to your adventures. Mounted on the spare tire carrier, it stays out of the way but remains easily accessible. Whether you're filling it or using it on the go, this system connects seamlessly to a pump, providing a versatile solution for hydration and water storage on your outdoor journeys. Planning a road trip with your furry friend? The Adventure Travel Kennel is here to make it safer and easier. This ultra-durable, lightweight inflatable kennel offers a comfortable, secure space for your pet during travel. Its design ensures easy setup and perfect portability, making it the ideal travel companion for both you and your pet wherever the road takes you. Whether you're parked at a scenic campground or your backyard, the Malenko Aluminum Leveler simplifies the process of getting your caravan or motorhome perfectly level. With its easy-to-use wind-up system and strong 1,000 kilogram capacity per wheel, it works quickly and with minimal effort. At just under 5 kilograms and with a handy carry case, it's lightweight, portable, and ready for your next adventure. On your next road trip or camping adventure, this hitch mount cargo carrier becomes your best friend. Whether you're hauling gear, luggage, or a cooler, this 500-pound capacity rack has you covered. It folds for easy storage and includes a waterproof cargo bag and net to secure everything. Perfect for SUVs, trucks, and pickups, it fits 2-inch hitch receivers and ensures you can carry more without the stress. The road calls, but battery anxiety can keep you grounded. Until now. With Honda's eSwap, you can seamlessly power your ride, whether you're on 2 wheels or 3. Just pull into a station, swap out your battery, and keep moving. Honda's eSwap gives you the confidence of uninterrupted travel, backed by years of engineering excellence. It's time to ride smarter, not harder. After a long day of work or adventure, the last thing you want to deal with is fumbling with your Utes cover. That's where the EGR Rolltrack Electric E3 shines. Imagine pressing your car key and effortlessly opening or closing the tonneau cover with ease, while knowing it's built to withstand harsh environments, rain, and even the toughest conditions. With LED lighting, universal T-rail system, and sleek aluminum slats, it's not just a cover, it's peace of mind on the go. When you're hauling heavy loads with your Ford Super Duty, the Ready AIR Load Leveling Package is your secret weapon. This air suspension kit, designed with the latest low-GQ technology, ensures your truck maintains the perfect balance. It's a quick factory-assembled install, replacing the factory overload spring and adding more travel for smoother rides, even under heavy weight. Ready to elevate your truck's performance? Ever tried hauling oversized loads and wished you had just a bit more space? This canvas truck bed extender is a game changer. It adds up to 8 feet of extra length for your truck, making it perfect for hauling plywood, lumber, or kayaks. When you're done, it folds neatly for easy storage, slipping right under your back seat. No hassle, just convenience. Tired of squeezing into a cramped garage? This homeowner found a perfect solution with Carousel USA's parking slider. Instead of worrying about space, the system effortlessly slides all 3 vehicles into place, despite a garage door that only fits 2. It's the kind of smart, space-saving innovation that turns parking challenges into a thing of the past. No more cramped spaces, just easy, efficient parking. When you're working with a vehicle that has hidden damage, precision is key. Enter the BTEG Motion LED Estimator Light. Its compact size and specially designed arm make it easy to spot even the smallest dents and scratches on the roof, hood, or tricky corners. Whether you're in a busy collision center or an appraiser's garage, this tool takes your damage inspection to the next level. Don't miss a detail. When weekend adventures call, this Opel's bike rear cycle carrier extension steps in as the ultimate road trip companion. Designed for seamless integration, it securely carries your bike, letting you explore trails without a hassle. Its robust build and easy setup transform your Maka into the perfect adventure vehicle, so every journey starts with convenience and ends with unforgettable memories. Whether you're exploring rugged terrain or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Waterport Weekender 8-gallon water tank is your ultimate companion. Designed for off-roading and overlanding, it easily mounts to your roof rack, offering on-the-go access to water and a camping shower. With this convenient system, you'll always have fresh water to rinse off, stay clean, and keep the adventure going. Grocery runs, road trips, or hauling gear. Make your travels more organized with the WeatherTech CargoTech Pro. This 4-piece containment system is designed to keep everything secure, from fragile items to bulky loads. With its grippy base and sturdy design, organizing your trunk is effortless. Say goodbye to sliding cargo and hello to stress-free, hassle-free drives, rain or shine, all year round. On a long drive, when you need a quick touch-up but the sun's too bright or the light's just off, the Makozy Car Sun Visor Vanity Mirror steps in. With its sleek design and 60 LED lights, it offers 3 adjustable lighting modes, so you're always ready for the perfect selfie or makeup touch-up. The dimming touch control makes it easy to customize, and its rechargeable feature means no hassle with batteries. Late night car repairs? A power outage? This 3000 LM LED work light is your ultimate sidekick. With its rechargeable battery, rotating magnetic base, and hooks, it clings securely to any surface, lighting up every detail. Cordless and powerful, it's perfect for underhood fixes, workshops, or emergencies. Bright, reliable, and ready whenever you need it. Concerned about car theft? The Tevlafi steering wheel lock is here to offer you peace of mind. This eye-catching bold red anti-theft device is incredibly easy to secure and fits most vehicles, from trucks to SUVs. Built with a durable, high-quality design and featuring 3 included keys, it ensures top-tier security for your car. Whether parked in a busy city center or in the comfort of your own driveway, the Tevlafi steering wheel lock keeps your vehicle safe, secure, and stylish. On a weekend getaway, your car's tire suddenly goes flat and you've got no service nearby. Enter the BAYU Auto Outdoor Smart Kit Pro. With its tire inflator, vacuum cleaner, car washer, and flashlight, all packed in one convenient unit, it's a game changer for emergencies. Plus, it even has a phone holder for hands-free use. With 19,200 milliamp hours of power, you're prepared for anything on the road. For anyone who's ever struggled to figure out whether a car battery is the issue or if it's something else entirely, this top-down battery tester provides a clear solution. This device takes the guesswork out with an easy-to-read display and built-in printer, showing results for both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries. With safety features like reverse polarity protection and spark-free clamps, it's a must-have for DIY mechanics. After a tire change or sensor replacement, this TPMS relearn tool is a game changer. Imagine the frustration of a malfunctioning tire pressure monitor, but with this handy device, resetting your GM vehicle's tire sensors becomes a breeze. Whether it's a Buick, Chevy, or GMC, the tool activates sensors effortlessly. Just plug it in, follow the steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time. 2024 model, efficient and reliable. Thanks for watching, car lovers. We hope you found some amazing gadgets to take your ride to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more awesome car tech reviews and gadget roundups. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a car gadget you think we should check out next. And remember, all the links to these products are in the description. See you in the next video.